Right now.
Khadc Deputy CM Pinchangan ends aim on Friday said that the term of the present Mdcs will end even if the election to the Khadc is again deferred in case the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule of the Constitution is passed by the Parliament. CM said that there is no provision in the 6th schedule of the Constitution to extend the term of an autonomous district council beyond a year. He made this remark when asked if there is a possibility that the upcoming council elections would be further delayed in case Parliament passes the Constitution 125th Amendment Bill 2019.
Long baladane ki kondusi ki berim ka election la kumu kan long hapo ubnai hapo at puduk jugu ubnai February tila da kawan no ka amendment ngatai kandiat benai kan don hi kandiat ka jing pen jalan tang batang ka wei ka long bangi ki MDC te na put nomor ka siksidil ka kan syai ba ngimma ban tam ya ka sisnem ban penjalan ya ka samui tri kam jongi.
To commemorate the 10th